Alright, what's going on? Finally, boys, I have my freaking diff drop kit, alright? This is the right one. The first one I ordered was definitely for like a Tacoma or something like that. I tried ordering it on Amazon. The bolts were too short. I couldn't use it. I don't think I particularly, like, absolutely need this, but we're going camping. So I'm going to film that. We're going to do some off-roading, I hope. It should be a sick little Saturday into Sunday thing, meeting up with the boys. It's going to be a good time. Alright, let's pop the back of this thing open because some of the stuff I'm going to need from here. Alright, I got this a little bit more cleaned out now. That I'll have to load. This, we'll get the water. First, let's do the... Alright, I finally got them in. Boom. Boom. Skid plate back on. We're good to go. Alright, we're all loaded up. Got hella fruit, bunch of water, some whatever these are, green tea Surfsides. This is full of like clean your hand water. This is the pump for it right here. Some snacks, you know. Fridge is plugged in. Go ahead and close that up. Got, you know, tools. I got my first aid and stuff in there, you know, all the good stuff. And then that's going to be just for the tent because it's a little bit fucking warm. And I need some circulation in the air. Alright, let's wash this thing and fuck off. Alright, well, car's washed, all loaded up. Finally actually taking this thing like camping. I'm fucking hype. Meeting up with my buddy Eric, same guy from before. I guess I'll have to like formally introduce you guys. So we got my 3rd gen, Eric's 3rd gen, Phil's 5th gen, which I've not met Phil yet, but he seems like a cool dude. Takes super fucking sick pictures. Real good videos too. Like all these dudes are just like abnormally, annoyingly good at media. In I guess not abnormally, because I'm pretty sure Phil works for I'm pretty sure he does media for like a real fancy car operation, but like Eric, fucking phenomenal. It's looking like this is gonna be the crew that's we're gonna be going camping and doing all this cool fucking off-road shit with. So, and also like I said, they're sick with the cameras, and I'm trying to be sick with the camera as well, just because I like preserving memories in videos and pictures. I've always done that since I was a kid, and make my mom buy me the little disposable cameras, and now that kind of manifested in this channel where I have like 700 videos or whatever I have on here of all these different points of my life. So I'm just going to continue that, and like if people watch, cool. If not, also cool, because I still get to look back on it, you know, unless YouTube shuts down, in which case I should probably really invest in a hard drive and some type of AI bot to download all of my videos. Alright, yeah, it's not, we weren't going that fast. The freaking yaw sensors like, hey, you're gonna flip this thing. Oh, you know what's funny? That's actually the corner that this thing had flipped. Not this thing, sorry. That my black one flipped over. It's the exact same corner. I just looked back and saw the 2 marks in the grass where the tires hit. So that's kind of funny. But anyways, I'm hype. It's going to be a good friggin' weekend, boys. We got the friggin' Surfsides. I'm a little bit degen on the weekends. You know, I'm not that locked in, but I do have fruit. We'll see what we're making for dinner. Hopefully the trails are not super easy. I want to, like, you know, I want to get some good video of this thing, like proper friggin' struggling a bit. I doubt it's going to, but yeah. Anyways, en route to New York, dispersed camping, so no campsite, no power hookups, no nothing. Just fully self-sufficient rigs. Like I said, I got power, heat, AC, wind, shelter, water, food. I got everything. And these guys are way more equipped than I am, because they've been doing this for a long time. So, you know, Eric's got a sick drawer system. I'm sure they got a grill and all that. So that they know. Basically, I'm gonna treat this trip like I treat tools at the shop, right? If I have to ask someone more than once to borrow something, then I'm just gonna buy that thing. You know what I mean? I'm sure you guys can relate if you're techs or mechanics or anything like that. Like, if you gotta ask your boy to borrow something more than once, just buy it. You know what I mean? Nice and clean. Gonna get dirty soon. Eric's all packed up. know, just stuck in traffic. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Good old New York, dude. Fucking Traverse cut us off, dude. Fuck off, dude. I'm trying to be steezy with bro. We're out here doing 4Runner shit. I promise it's not gay as it sounds. It might be. Not ideal, boys. Not ideal. Hopefully this clears up sooner than later. Allegedly, it's supposed to be clear by 8, which is like a few hours, but fuck. Thank God I have a hard shell 10, I guess. So at the gas station, we're pretty close to camp. Just picked up 6 bundles of this firewood. Looking proper off-road guy now. Just kidding. This thing's a fucking pavement princess daily driver, dude. It's clearing up a bit. Big mountains in the distance, dude. It's looking good. So we're gonna be airing down to, is it 15? Yeah, 15. So, crawling on the way to the campsite, dude. Nice little trail. Try to get some outside shots maybe tomorrow on the way out. Unless there's something cool that we're stopping for, I don't know. Oh no, Eric's already way up there. Do not impale myself on this large log, dude. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the hoodie going because there's a little bit of bugs out here. Probably immediately gonna get the fire going at some point. I got 6 bundles of that stuff. Gonna throw this lens on, get some pictures, and set up the tent. There's my bug spray. Here we are. Here's the setup. Snipe the dudes from deep. So, made it to camp. I gotta formally introduce Eric. I'll put his IG on the screen over here. This is his truck. We'll film his setup in a minute. That's Phil. Put his IG over here as well. But pretty smooth ride up here, dude. What up, dog?
This is Ranger.
That was a fucking beautiful shot of him, dude. Bro is fucking photogenic as hell. Oh, what are we cooking?
Smash burgers, mac and cheese, and we got French fries. We're gonna wrap in tinfoil and put.
I was gonna ask you when you said French fries. I was like, "What do you mean French fries, dude?"
I got olive oil, so we're gonna fill the.
Oh, okay.
Fill up with olive olive oil, and hopefully they will cook in the coals. We got to get the fire hot enough first.
I should have got some corn, dude. Tin foil in the fire, butter. Damn, dude, I'm the only guy here without a sick like trunk drawer system.
I built that for Phil. Hell yeah.
How much does it cost to build one of those things? Oh, is that the same as yours?
Yeah, I built it for him. That's all big same design as well.
No shit.
Well,
Oh, you were saying you have the CAD design, right?
Close to $300 and lumber and stuff.
Do we have the cutting board so we can make a steak aesthetically? We need like a Monster Energy and a cutting board, and we have to eat off the wood. Like eat right off of the pull-out drawer right there.
Brook trout over here. There's brook trout. You can catch some brook trout. I mean, it won't be much meat, but
Yeah, you get like a fucking fingers worth.
I wouldn't want to eat that brook trout anyways, because I'd rather have them steamed.
Get the aesthetic string lights going, dude. I gotta build one of these. This thing is like, it's crazy how long this shit is, and it's like
Well, the
so
thing
stable.
is, these I can get longer rails. So I want to get the rails for these ones that will come out to here. Because this is the whole length of this drawer. I just don't have long enough rails.
Well, the fact that like this, you said it was like $300 cost you and like lumber and shit.
Yeah, to do the rails.
Yeah, but if you bought that, it'd be $1,500.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, because I based it off of what they build too. I went off of what they have.
You got the water tank as well.
Yeah, I gotta hook up my water sink.
That's the sink, right? That's
I
your
don't
like.
have a sink, but there's like a spigot that goes with it.
Yeah.
It's magnetic.
I got this like Amazon bullshit thing that I think was like $40.
I got the Victory 4x4 interior panels too. I gotta put in.
The ones here.
Yeah, I got two of them.
Yeah, dude.
It just sucks putting them in.
What do you? How do you mount them? You have to take the panels off.
You literally get the mark. You have to mark a certain distance in on each corner. Drill the holes in the panel, and then you have to make sure you mark the metal with the drill bit when you go down. Then you take everything out. Then you have to drill and then put the rib nuts in.
Yep. That's what I figured. I always wondered how those Molly panels like mounted to shit. Amazon Light, dude. Yeah, so it started coming down quite a bit, but underneath the fucking no one's got an awning, but we all got the fucking hatches open. So, things to note: drawer system. Ideally, a folding table. I don't know. Having a good time though. Poured for like probably 10 minutes. Fucking downpour, but fire's still going, as you can see back there. Should be clearing up by 8 o'clock. Get the grill going. Smash burgers. That's good camping, dude. So the fries are in that bag currently. Curious to see the results. Phil's got the grill going.
Up.
He told me fish before. I was like, I'm gonna bring some steak. Yeah.
Sure. I just put a little too much milk on the mac and cheese, so it's just Just kidding. I thought I had a scrub brush, but I don't know where the fuck it's at.
Trying to clean the pots off, dude. It's a nice little setup.
Got my scrub daddy.
Scrub daddy, dude.
Might just go down the fucking creek, honestly, at this point.
In the van down by the river.
Yeah. Costs about $80,000 to do it.
pop off at 80,000 is cheap, dude. 80,000 is like a used Sprinter nowadays. No one's doing that. Everyone's leasing like $170,000 like fully decked out Sprinter. What up? What up, dog?
It's more fun to build.
Yeah, I agree.
Way more fun to make it your own.
When's the out west trip?
We are leaving September 1st.
Okay.
For 2 weeks.
2 weeks, count me in.
Taking our she'll be 9 months when we go.
Hell,
or 9 month old.
So I have fuck, that's actually like not that far away, dude. I'm like, oh, I have a while. No, it's not really not that long from now. You said what? You want to do what? Wyoming, Montana?
Wyoming, Montana, and some Idaho as well. A little bit of South Dakota, like the Black Hills.
Yep.
I've been out there 3 times already. Fucking love it out there. Still want to explore more. You know, Tetons more.
Isn't that in Utah?
Tetons? No, it's Wyoming.
Oh, no shit.
It's literally, you literally leave Yellowstone, the southern entrance of Yellowstone, and you go right into
See, I've never been to Yellowstone. We stopped at...
Tetons is way cooler.
Yeah, like, that's what I figured. We did... The only actual park that I've actually explored is, Zion.
Yeah.
That was it. Like, Utah's fucking sick, but Idaho is essentially Utah. Like, the same biome.
Somewhat.
It looks kind of the same.
Yeah.
But there's, like, different shit out there, obviously. Like,
There's like a lot of back hidden, like, mountain trails in Idaho that we're going to do. I have a spot that's picked out. It's like a big hot spring you can go camp at.
Oh, no shit.
And everything, so.
My buddy actually lives in Montana, too. I told him, I was like, yeah, my buddy's trying to go out to Montana, dude. You should come with us. He's got a Colorado, but he doesn't have anything on it right now. But he's like a finance bro, so I was like, that's why I was like, I'm going to send this shit to him because he's rich and he'll buy it. So we'll see you out there, Travis, maybe.
Go down by the creek.
Down by the creek. Got the fruit going. Snack for later. This is a snack for now. Freaking morning time. Weather cleared up.
Rolling truck.
Rolling shots to the front, yeah. Getting rollers.